Spring is just around the corner, and with it comes the many wonders of the season. It won't be long before forests in the Smokies will be filled with the sweetly chirped songs of our fine feathered friends, and perhaps echoed by bird enthusiasts.
Chirp, trio. That's a robin.
Last April, I followed a group of beginning birders led by Carrie Jones during the Spring Wildflower Pilgrimage. We all learned a few helpful birdwatching tips, but perhaps the most important was learning those bird songs and bird calls.
Phoebe's going, Phoebe, Phoebe.
Birds in the Smokies have a lot of places to hide. Trees, shrubs, foliage. There's plenty to provide cover for these little guys, so you'll often hear more birds than you see.
Jimmy, come here, quickly.
Learning some of the most common bird songs and calls means you'll be able to identify birds that you can't see. Using familiar words or phrases called mnemonics, remembering and recognizing these sounds can be a bit easier.
Cardinal.
Carrie Jones demonstrated several of these for us.
Here. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, pow, pow. Toot, 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 toot. Roll out. Toot, toot, toot. Tick, 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 tick. Maids, tick-a-la-la-la. Maids, tick-a-la-la-la. Video.
It's also possible to draw out inquisitive birds by making an unusual sound. And though this may seem a little strange to the casual observer, it's all part of discovering and enjoying birds in their habitat. A fascinating pastime that teaches patience and an appreciation of our natural world. And it's a lot of fun. And to learn more about some of the most common birds in the park, pick up a copy of Birds of the Smokies, available at the GSMA website, www.smokiesinformation.org.